Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine and doing well and happy and healthy at home and doing the regular revision of maths. In today's class, you are going to understand or you are going to learn how to subtract by counting forward. So you can understand how to subtract by counting forward. You have to draw a number line. Okay. So this is number line. The first number you have to write 39. Then after 39 you have to write 40. Then 40 you have written here. Then you have to draw 10 lines after 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And at 10th line you have to write 50. Then again you have to draw 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you have to write 60. And you have to subtract 39 from 65. So after 60 you have to draw 5 lines and write 65 here. Okay. Then 39 to 40, how many lines here? Only 1 line. Then 40 to 50, how many lines? 10. 50 to 60, 10 lines, and 60 to 65, 5 lines. So 1 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, you will get 26. Means 65 minus 39, the difference will be 26. This way you can subtract quickly. In next question, you have to subtract 16 from 52. So, which is the smaller number here? 16. So, at the corner of number line, you have to write 16. And then, you have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. For 17, 18, 19 and 20. Means after 16, you have to draw 4 lines. Okay. Then, after 20, you have to draw 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you have to write 30 here. Then after 30, you have to draw again 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And at the 10th line, you have to write 40. Then again you have to draw 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you have to write 50. Since you have to subtract 16 from 52, so after 50 only you have to write 2 lines. Draw 2 lines and write 52 here. Then 16 to 20. How many lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4. 20 and 30. Between these two numbers, how many lines here? 10 lines. Then 30 to 40, how many lines here again? 10 lines. Then 40 to 50, 10 lines again here. And after 50, only 2 lines. So you will get numbers 4, 10, 10, 10 and 2. Add all these numbers. So this 10 make 30. And 2 plus 4 will be 6. 36. So the answer, the subtraction 52 minus 16 equals to 36. The difference is 36. Now you have to subtract 36 from 70. So you have to draw a line, write 36 at the corner. Because 36 is the smaller number. Then you have to draw you have to draw the lines up to 40. 37, 38, 39, 40. Write 40 here. Then you have to draw 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At 10th line you have to write 50 here. Then again you have to draw 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10th line you have to write 60. Then again you have to draw 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At 10th line you have to write 70. You have to stop here to draw the lines because you have to subtract 36 from 70. Now you have to count the middle lines. Okay. Here how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 here. From 36 to 40, how many lines here? 4. From 40 to 50, how many lines? 10 lines. Then 50 to 60, again 10 lines, and 60 to 70, again 10 lines. Then you have to add these numbers. 4 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 34 you get. Means if you subtract 36 from 70, you will get 34. This is the difference. So this way you can subtract two numbers, and this method is called subtract by counting forward. Now question number B is subtract by expanding the smaller number. The first one, 72 minus 49. You have to subtract 49 from 72, but according to question, first you have to expand the smaller number. So which is the smaller number here, 72 or 49? 49 is the smaller. So you have to expand 49. How can you expand it? You can write 49 as 40 plus 9. Then you have to subtract 40 from 72. 72 minus 40 will be 32. Then this 9 is remain. You have to subtract 9 from 32. So 32 minus 9 will be 23. So when you subtract 49 from 72, you will get 23. This is the difference. Now I am taking second one. You have to subtract 17 from 73. So in this both the numbers, 17 is the smaller. So you have to expand 17. You can write 17 as 10 plus 7. Now you have to subtract 10 from 73. 73 minus 10 will be 63. Then you have to subtract this 7 from 63. 63 minus 7, 56. So when you subtract 17 from 73, you will get 56. This is the difference. Now I am taking third one, 46 minus 18. Here you have to subtract 18 from 46. From in 46 and 18, 18 is the smaller number, so you have to expand 18. You can write 18 as 10 plus 8. Then you have to subtract 10 from 46. 46 minus 10 will be 36. Then you have to subtract 8 from 36. 36 minus 8 will be 28. Means when you subtract 18 from 46, you will get 28, which is the difference. This is the question which I have explained. Checkpoint is here, page number 102. Questions are subtract by counting forward. This question which I have explained in the beginning of this lesson, and this is question number B, subtract by expanding the smaller number. Now after these two questions, I am going to start exercise 3.1. The first question is find the difference. Here you have to subtract two numbers and find the difference. So let's start exercise 3.1. Question number 1 is find the difference. Since in this question number A, 20 questions are given to do the difference, but I am taking here some questions to explain which are of different types. Now the first one is 468 minus 215. 8 minus 5. You have to start subtraction from the right side. So first you have to subtract 5 from 8. So when you subtract 5 from 8, you will get 3. Then 6 minus 1 will be 5 and 4 minus 2 will be 2. So the difference is 253. Next is 705 minus 204. So you have to subtract 4 from 5. You will get 1. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 7 minus 2 will be 5. What is the difference here? 501. Then you have to subtract 460 from 780. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 8 minus 6 will be 2 and 7 minus 4 will be 3. So what is the difference here? 320. Now you have to subtract 596 from 685. You can't subtract 6 from 5 because 5 is smaller than 6. So you have to borrow from 8. So 8 will be 7 and 5 will be 15. 15 minus 6 will be 9. Now again you can't subtract 9 from 7 because 7 is smaller than 9. So you have to borrow from 6. 6 will be 5 and 7 will be 17. Then 17 minus 9 will be 8. And 5 minus 5 will be 0. So what is the difference here? 89. Now you have to subtract 79 from 700. So start from the right side. You can't subtract 9 from 0. And since the nearby digit is also 0, so you have to borrow from 7. So this 7 will be 6. Next 0 will be 10. But you have to borrow for this 0. So this 10 will be 9 and this 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 9 will be 1 and 9 minus 7 will be 2 and 6 as it is you have to write. What is the difference here? 621. Now you have to subtract 75 from 578. 8 minus 5 will be 3. 7 minus 7 will be 0 and 5 as it is you have to write. The difference is 503. Now last one, 800 minus 521. You can't subtract 1 from 0 and here nearby digit is also 0. So you have to borrow from 8. So 8 will be 7. This next 0 will be 10 and 10 will be 9 and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9 and 9 minus 2 will be 7 and 7 minus 5 will be 2. What is the difference here? 279. So dear students, in this class I have explained you two questions, question number A and B of checkpoints, which is on page number 102, and question number A of exercise 3.1. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.